Check, I never noticed this before in the gift shop. They have some Kentucky Rumbler newspaper articles up. 4.6 million wooden rumbler may help push Bowling Green into new heights in the tourist trade. I guess it didn't work out exactly how they wanted it to. Beech Bend Park hopes for big ride to success. What? Well, I mean, from what I understand, it was a success for a year or two and then it died off. Here's an Amusement Today one, 2005. Apparently they got this Wild Mouse 2005 and then Kentucky Rumbler right after, which is really awesome. And then they haven't been much development since then. There's the original rendering of it from GCI. It's a media day. It's still under construction in this picture. It's really cool, actually. Nice. I wish Rumbler was a bit more of a success than it was. So then we could have gotten some more coasters here, some more bigger rides, but it is what it is. I just thought those were really interesting. They are located framed in Kentucky Rumbler's gift shop / Rumbler cafe. Over by the restrooms, in between the men's and women's restrooms, they're just framed on the wall there. And if you are exiting Kentucky Rumbler, they make you exit through the gift shop. And that's the hallway that you come through to get into the main gift shop. So it's all the way in that hallway in the back. So I just thought those were really interesting to kind of see some retro newspaper articles talking about Kentucky Rumbler and Beech Bend. So hopefully you thought it was interesting as well. Also, this is like the top of a ping pong table. I really don't know why it's being stored here. It was just here when I sat down. Anyways, bye.